Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10th exercise 3.1 question number 1. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. You can solve your question by two methods. First graphical method, second algebraical methods. Graphical method shows consistent system, inconsistent system and consistent dependent systems. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line, inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line, consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraic methods. There are three types of algebraic method. First substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication method. You can use these methods for the following question and you can solve your question very easily. But you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.1. Question number 1. After tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. It is first situation. Also there, also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. It is second situation. Is this interesting? Represent this situation graphically. You represent this situation graphically. Here, form of linear equation in two variable is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is clear? Here, representation of situation in algebraically. X minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. It is first equation. X according to first situation. X minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. It is second equation. According to second situation. Now representation of situation graphically. It means you represent this situation, this equation by graphically on Cartesian plane. It is clear? Firstly, you find two solutions of each equation. We find two solutions of each equation. Equations. Clear? First equation is x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. It is first equation. You find two solutions of first equation. Here x y points A and B. It is clear? Here second equation is x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. It is second equation. You find two solution of second equation. Here xy points A, C and D. Clear? Here it is first equation. You put the value of x is 0, it becomes 0. You put the value of y is 6, it becomes 6 7 ja minus 42. Here plus 42, it becomes 0. It means it is satisfy this equation. Here value of y is 6. Your coordinate become 0 and 6. It is clear? Value of y is 6. Value of x is 0. Your coordinate is 0 and 6. Clear? Now you put the value of y is 5. It become 5 7 ja 35 minus 35. And here you the put value of x is 7. Here minus 7. It become minus 7. Minus 7 minus 35 become minus 42. Here plus 42. It become 0. It means the value of x and y is satisfied this equation. Your coordinate is minus 7 and 5. Clear? Coordinate of point A 0 6, point B minus 7 and 5. Now you find the value of x and y for this equation. Clear? Here you put the value of x is 0. It becomes 0. Here you put the value of y is minus 2. Minus 2 multiply minus 3 become plus 6. Plus 6 and minus 6 become 0. It means it is satisfied. Clear? Here you can write minus 2. Value of y minus 2. Minus 2 multiply minus 3 become plus 6. Plus 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Clear? Your coordinate is 0 and minus 2. Clear? Here you can write 0. Value of y is 0. Here 0. It becomes 0. Here you can write 6. Value of x is 6. Here plus 6 minus 6 become 0. It means it is satisfy this equation. Clear? Coordinate is 6 and 0. You find the point coordinate of point A, B, C and D. Now you plot these points. Plot the points A, B, C and D. Plot the point A, B, C and D. Here it is clear. It is x-axis, x dash, y dash and here origin. Clear? Here point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here you write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 -8. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Here -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8. Clear? You plot point A and B. Point A 0 and 6. 0 means at origin. 6 means on right side at x axis. Here 0 means here 6 at y axis. It is for x axis, it is for y axis. So 0 here and 6 here. It means the coordinate of point A 0 and 6 here. It is coordinate of point A 0 and 6. Now coordinate of point B -7 and 5. -7 this direction. Here -7. Here it is -7 and 5 at y axis. Here 5. It goes here -7 and 5. Point B. Here point B. It is clear? You join point A and point B. Here you can join point A and point B. Point B. It is clear? No confusion about it. Now you plot point C and point D. Here see 0 and -2. 0 means at origin. -2 means this direction. Here 0 and -2. Point C. D 6 and 0. 6 means this direction. 6 and 0 at origin. Here 6 and 0. Point D. Here point D. Join point C and point D. This. It is clear? No confusion about it. In this way you can solve any question very easily by the help of this solution. Solution is clear? It is for equation first x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. It is for this equation and it is for equation second. Here equation second equation is x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. It is for equation second and it is for equation first. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Solution is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.